It was a hearing that lasted hours upon hours, talking about the U.S. president, the allegations against him, and the law.
If what we're talking about is not impeachable, then nothing is impeachable.
4 experts explaining to U.S. lawmakers what the U.S. Constitution says when it comes to Trump's alleged actions. They were blunt and forceful.
Put simply, a president should resist foreign interference in our elections, not demand it.
Some all but insisting that based on the evidence, Trump must be impeached.
What has happened in the case today is something that I do not think we have ever seen before. A president who has doubled down on violating his oath to faithfully execute the laws and to protect and defend the Constitution.
The key allegation that Trump tried to pressure Ukraine's president into digging up dirt on Trump rival Joe Biden for Trump's own benefit.
What we're talking about is an abuse of power. And we're talking about an abuse of power that only the president can commit.
President Trump has committed impeachable high crimes and misdemeanors by corruptly abusing the office of the presidency.
Republicans pushed back hard, calling it nothing but Democratic sour grapes after the last election.
Because you just don't like the guy. You haven't liked him since November of 2016.
Indeed, even the constitutional expert they brought in said he's no fan of the president.
I voted against him.
But then he said that is irrelevant. What matters, he said, is fairness, that this process is moving too quickly. The evidence to impeach Trump, he said, wafer thin, reminding lawmakers.
You just have to prove it, and you haven't.
And yet, say others, for Trump to now go unpunished would invite future such behavior by any president. The hearings resume next week. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.
Now, impeachment proceedings are indeed moving quickly. The Judiciary Committee could recommend articles of impeachment against Trump within the next 2 weeks, setting up a possible vote in the full House of Representatives by Christmas. Now, if and when the Democratic majority there does impeach Trump, the case moves to the Senate for a trial. But conviction, and therefore Trump's removal from office, highly unlikely, since Republicans control that upper chamber of Congress.